Namaste everyone. Welcome to ICON. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 7 from Shloka number 11. Balam balavatam chaham kamaraga vivarjitam dharmya viruddho bhuteshu kamo siddhatarshabhalam. Of the song, I am the strength giver of this and I am that is virtuous. Oh, Lord of the Bhagavad, you know about that. Saiva satvika bhavaha rajasasamasasaye mattaye tan vid natvahante tu te mani. So that all the states of being, purity, silence, all ensure from me and are in me. गुणमयैर्भावैः येभिः सर्वमिदं जगत् मोहितं नाभिजानं परमौषधम्. By the three gunas, the universe does not understand me. I am above the three moods. An energy of mind consisting of the modes of material nature is certainly difficult to overcome, but those who have surrendered to me can easily overcome it. Naman duskritino modhaha prapadyante naradhamaha mayaya pahrita jnanaha asuran bhavamasvitaha. Now, those who are grossly foolish, the lowest among men, whose knowledge is wrapped in illusion, and those whose very nature is dominate, do not surrender to me. Chaturvidha bhajante mam janas sukrutinorjuna arto jignasurathati jnani cha bharatarshava. O Arjuna, among the pures, four kinds of men worship me: the distressed, those who desire wealth, the equitants, and those seeking knowledge of the absolute truth. तेषां ज्ञानी नित्ययुक्तः एकभक्तिर्विशिष्यते प्रियो हि ज्ञानिनोत्यर्थम् अहं स च मम प्रियः. Of these, the men seeking knowledge and who is engaged in pure devotional service to me is the best. He is indeed dear to me, who is fond of me. उदारा सर्व एवैते ज्ञानी त्वात्मैव मे मतम् आस्थितः स हि युक्तात्मा मामेवानुत्तमां गतिम्. All these are no doubt great souls, but he who is self-realized I consider to be like me. He whose mind is fixed on me will attain me, the highest goal. Bahunam jnanam yat asarvatmasu durlabham. नियममास्थाय प्रकृत्या नियता स्वया. Those intelligence has been corrupted by material desires take refuge in the demigods and worship according to their own natures.